This isn't just bacon, ladies and gentlemen. Since we're eating fatty mint fatty fat, I also added 3 tablespoons of butter. So that's buttered bacon. Heating up some water in my new titanium canteen. So that I can also make a tea. This is just breakfast. We have more things planned for today. I'm just waiting for the bacon to turn brown. And then I'm gonna add some eggs and cheese. We're spicing it up today. And Lord's here, very excited. Dig a hole, dig a hole, dig a hole. Yeah, very nice day outside. Ask yourself, but Alex, where are all the veggies? In Alex's kingdom of awesomeness, there's no veggies. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Nice. And bam! Look at this. Yeah. Look at that. I'm just gonna let it sit for a bit. And then we feast! Slow cooked bacon. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Just gorgeous, isn't it? That dripping off.